Six more minutes here. Then we're done. 6 more minutes in this one. But when he hasn't, coming closer, when he has the ball, then you're doing this, eventually he's just going to throw it.
Ah, so on so you're not going to say on so